Hello everyone, my name is Kasim Gonzalez, Reading Wala, and today we're going to be doing a TED talk about the TEDx of Adil Hashmi on the topic of the power of dreams and curiosity. Without further ado, let's start. So he has highlighted the fact that dreams are crucial for success because they develop that hunger in you, and this hunger then gives you the drive and motivation to keep persisting. Without these dreams, you won't be able to push forward. And you need real dreams because those with real dreams do not make excuses. They do not say कि आज मैंने इधर जाना है, आज 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 मैंने कुछ और करना है. They do not try to hide away from what they're so dedicated to do. And these dreams are not short term. They're usually something grand. They're not the kind of dreams that you're like, oh, I wish I had this, and then you forget it like 2 hours later. These are the things that Adil Hashmi had pinpointed. He also gave many examples like himself when he wanted to go into film school, but he had no background in this industry. But despite that, he got selected. Or he also gave the example of Wilbur and Orwell Wright, who made the plane, and they started off as just two little boys in their workshop. Additionally, another example is billionaires like Bill Gates, who also accumulated this wealth because they had a dream. Now, moving on to the second part of this TEDx talk, I also like to talk about curiosity, which again, what Adil Hashmi has explained to us is that curiosity is something that propels you to venture out into the world and take risks because you want to learn, but it makes it so that you want to learn, that you're not cowering in a corner because you're too scared. It provides you with that courage and boldness so you can go further. Now wrapping this all up, I'd like to say that overall, Adil Hashmi has excellently highlighted these points, and this message of his carries a grand purpose. And his TED talk was very valid. It was exceptional. With this, I have the honor to talk about it, and I would give him all the praises I have. Now, I'd like to wrap up my TED talk because my time is over, and with that, I'd like to say goodbye.